Definitely. It's good to have revised everything. I think चीजें जो कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ी blur हो गई थी, everything came back to me, and everything became much more clear, to be honest, this time. Uh, it's exactly been an year जब मैंने last किया था, so yes, that is a good refresher. And also, like, because through that entire year I've seen other clients and people, so there was more that I could relate to. So in the past, because उस time पे इतने couples नहीं लिए हुए थे, post this I was not, हाँ ठीक है, examples हैं, और you know what you were saying. So I definitely like the way how you explained everything. The flow was amazing. uh, and I think that whole receiving and giving of information, that's going to stay with me, because no, it really helps provide the essence of how we behave and why we could be behaving, which I think becomes important for clients to know. क्योंकि again the whole belief system ना, अरे ऐसे कोई क्यों करेगा, और I come from a particular belief system thinking बस यही सही है and there's no alternative to it. So when we give a generalized version of it, कि people are this way also, people are that way also, it makes more sense to them. And the CMP obviously वो conveniently cut short कर देता है सारा कुछ. So these are my key takeaways that way. So thank you so much. And I actually like the fact that the group was smaller. All of us got a chance to be with each other at least once. So yeah, that was a good thing too.
Perfect. Thank.
Initially, I was like, I don't really know if I want to get into this field or no, not relationship I'm talking about, and I still don't know. But just having this understanding is going to help me as an individual in my relationships with everyone. And even if I do not pursue this ahead, I don't know if I will. But even if I don't, then it's going to help me in one way or the other, because these models are um, so like they include a lot of things in a very precise and a very to the point manner, and we can really use this everywhere. And exactly what Pratishta said, it's everything is just all the information is so structured and so well that even if when we're using it, we can use it in a very structured format. We won't get lost, and if even if we do, we know we can come back to it. And even just by once referring what exactly the structure was, we know where exactly did we deviate from it and what can we do to get back on track. So it was really nice, the entire, and yes, the small group was a huge advantage.
Perfect.
Student, we are never exposed to things like this, like you are given chance to practice. We are always learn theory and we have to study and go and give the exam, that's it. So I always used to wonder how practitioners are working, how we can work. Like for learning this, it's make me. I feel confidence. Like yeah, we can also do this thing. So yeah, it's really a big thing for me, having a confidence to say in front of people. That's a very big thing. Yeah, for me.
Great.
A very informative session where I got a good insight about how relationship works, all the stages. It was literally like everything about the relationship and why conflicts arises. So I literally got much a lot of information, and got explored. I explored this area a lot. These models helped me know more about the relationship, and I think I can imply that to my relationships with everybody. I will teach this to even my family members and everything. So yeah, it was a very practical approach, and I liked it a lot. And it was interactive and lively session, and I'm glad that I got you as a mentor because your approach and the way you talk, the way you explained everything, it was just amazing. I liked it.
I was just looking at all that I've written, and I would really, really like to appreciate the pace that you took, ma'am, because it wasn't too fast, it wasn't too slow, and the way you talk, uh, it's animate as well, so it keeps us hooked. And I can literally say I might have actually transcribed every word that you said. So, often when people are talking, you might be like, "Nahi, ganda ganda likh ke," you just scribble. You can actually look at these 18 pages I've written. You'll be able to read every single word. So it's so neatly written without getting confused that no, oh, acha chhoot gaya kya mera or things like that. So yeah, thank you so much for that.
Okay, you're welcome.
Also, ma'am, use of the examples was very nice. It made us understand the concepts in easy manner.
Perfect. Thank you for those words. Okay.